Okay, it's 5 a.m. 5:30 a.m. It's pretty early, but I'm pretty excited. We worked all day yesterday to get everything ready, and it's dark outside, and we're about to hit the road. Yeah.
I've been around the world. I've seen some pretty faces, been with some beautiful girls. After all I've witnessed, one thing still amazes me. Just like a miracle, you have to see to believe. I've been sent to spread the message. God bless Texas. First he lit the sunshine, then he made the waters deep. Then he gave us moonlight for all the world to see. In mysterious ways, he took a rest, then on the very next day, God bless Texas with his own hand, brought down angels from the promised land, gave them a place where they could dance. If you wanna see heaven, brother, here's your chance. Well, I've been sent to spread the message. God bless Texas.
Day 2, we are headed back to Canyon Lake, and we're gonna have another fun day. We're gonna explore more lake. We're gonna go eat at Baja Barbecue for lunch. Kayla?
Turn right onto Lake Drive.
And we are going to the lake.
And what are we gonna do, Kayla?
We're gonna swim and jump and everything.
That's right. All right, that's the Johnsons, over and out.
Hold on for a second. If words can be weapons, then what I say can affect it. They're not just words on a record, and I can choose to respect it or choose to infect it. But once it hits the water, it's too late to be selective. Cause one voice is enough to make sleeping giants wake up, to make armies put their hands up and watch whole nations stand up. It's one belief, one spark, one faith and one restart, and we can reboot the whole chart before it all falls apart. So stand up, shout it out, and put them in the air if you like it loud. We only got one shot, so let's make it count. It's a takedown, nobody can stop us now. Stand up, shout it out, sing it loud so the world can't drown us out. And before we depart, let's leave a mark, cause light shines brighter in the dark. When we scream, our lips don't make a sound. We march with feet on solid ground. We walk when no one wants to go on this untraveled road. So hold on for a moment. If we're not scared of opponents, then with what we have we can own it. We'll just plant the seed and keep growing it. And when that light shines in the morning, they'll still be waking up yawning. We'll be smiling like we expected, with sweet victory in one method. Cause one voice is enough to make sleeping giants wake up, to make armies put their hands up and watch whole nations stand up. It's one belief, one spark, one faith and one restart, and we can reboot the whole chart before it all falls apart. So stand up, shout it out, and put them in the air if you like it loud. We only got one shot, so let's make it count. It's a takedown, nobody can stop us now. Stand up, shout it out, sing it loud so the world can't drown us this album before we depart. Let's leave a mark, 'cause light shines brighter in the dark.